Let's make a Bacardi and Cola. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and the official glass is a highball. I've got a Collins, I'm going to be using that instead. And the first step is to fill your glass with ice. Now, 1.5 ounces of your Bacardi Rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. And now 3 ounces of your Coca-Cola. Well, not Coca-Cola, any cola. I always use Coca-Cola because that's my go-to cola. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. And I'm going to measure, normally I would just top this off, but for the sake of authenticity, I'm going to try to measure this out. And you may notice that my glass is not entirely full. I can add more ice, or I can put more rum and cola in there. I usually put the more rum. Gentle stir. They do specify a gentle stir. And they don't specify a straw, but I always use a straw. And there you have it, the Bacardi and Cola, drink with good spirits.